welcome back to Gifted Guitars. Today I am giving JoJo her bow guitar, but before I do that I want to say a couple things. First off, the bow shape of the guitar was very specifically chosen, not just because you see it and you immediately think of JoJo, but because of what JoJo has made the bow to mean. Her bows have become a symbol of friendliness. The idea behind it is if you're at school or wherever as a kid and you see somebody that has a JoJo bow in their hair, you know that that's a safe person to go up and introduce yourself to. That's somebody that's gonna be nice to you. And you're sort of taking a pledge when you put a JoJo bow in your hair. And I think that that's such a cool thing. It's not just something pretty to wear, it actually means something. And so I knew immediately that that was what I wanted the guitar to embody. I loved that element of what JoJo's trying to do, and I think it's super cool. She's such a good role model, and I'm really, really proud of her and seeing the things that she's doing. I can't wait to give her this guitar. And another thing I want to say is I make videos like this every Friday. So if you've watched one or two of these videos and you're like, hey, this is kind of fun, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss future projects. I've made a guitar for Colleen, I've made one for the Weiss Life, I've made one for JoJo now, and I'm gonna start a brand new guitar and have a special guest on the channel. I've never had a special guest before, but guess what? Someone's gonna come in here and help me build a guitar. I wanna take one last look at JoJo's guitar before I give it to her and play it one last time, because it's a fun guitar. This guitar is so much fun. It has this bite to it. It's a JoJo guitar. It's fully a JoJo guitar. Loud, strong, awesome bow. There is some sparkle embedded into the finish of the guitar. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but there is like a glitter, sparkly thing going on there. And I bought some rhinestones, and I heard that JoJo's very particular about where she puts her rhinestones, so I didn't put any on the guitar. I'm gonna give them to her as an option. If she wants, she can decorate the guitar however she wants. This can be a blank canvas for her to bling out how she sees fit. One of the really cool features on this guitar are the tuners. These tuners are locking tuners. They're way easier to change the strings on. The strings are gonna stay in tune a lot longer, a lot easier because of these tuners. And even just turning them, I could tell this is they're good tuners. Traditionally on a guitar, if you buy a guitar standard, it's gonna have something like this on it. It's like a string button, and you loop your strap onto it and it holds the guitar up to you while you're playing. But there's always a chance of your guitar falling off, and since this is a nice custom guitar, it's a little heavier than some of the other guitars, I decided to put on strap locks, which means you could use this just the same way a regular strap button works, or you could put this thing on it, which I'm gonna give to JoJo as well, and this screws onto your strap. So there's no way this comes off your strap. It stays onto your strap. And then when you want to put it on, you just go like this. It locks into place, and now the guitar is completely secure. It's never gonna fall from the straps. And when you want to take it off, you just pull this little peg and it slides right off. Pretty cool little feature. It works on this one and on the one on the back here. And I have 2 of these that I'm gonna give JoJo as well, just so that the guitar stays safe. Also the fretboard, I spent a really long time making sure that these frets were nice and smooth and easy. If you go like this, it feels nice. It not only does it not hurt, because some guitars hurt if you rub your fingers across the edge of the frets. Not only does it not hurt, but I sanded them and polished them so much that it just feels nice. It feels really good. I can't believe that this started off as a block of wood. This, I think, turned out really cool. I'm very happy about it. I'm excited to go give it to JoJo. So let's go give it to her. So I'm actually at my sister Colleen's house, and JoJo's coming over here to say hi, but she doesn't know that I'm gonna give her the guitar yet. So I'm gonna surprise her with it. All right, JoJo's here now.
I made it, I'm here. How's it going? I feel like I have a lot of things in my pocket. Okay, sorry, I'm here, yes.
Okay, cool. I made you something and I wanted to give it to you.
You made me something?
I made you something,
What'd you make me? Is it like a Christmas present, like from your kids? Like
no, it's
like a rock? Like another rock in a paper bag?
No, it's more like congratulations on your tour and just being an awesome friend to our family, but that's for you.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it's a box.
It's a box. I love a box.
I didn't make the box, actually. I made what's inside.
In the
yeah.
box. How do I this way, right?
Yeah.
This way, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like hug her mom.
You can come over.
I was gonna help.
Come help, please. Oh my God, it's a bow. You guys, this is insane. Oh, I'm gonna lay out this. This is amazing, Christopher. What the heck? Thank you.
Of course.
That is unbelievable.
Here, let me.
Did you make this?
Yeah, I made that thing.
Christopher Ballinger. I learned to only say Christopher now that your mom really doesn't like when you say Chris. That
You
is.
hand painted all this, right?
Yeah, here.
How did you do the shape of that?
Here, I'll show you.
Isn't that cool?
am dying right
He's been
now.
working on this for so
It
long.
started off as a piece of wood, like that.
Oh my gosh.
And then I came up with a design, and then that's me trying the neck on it for the first time. And I carved all this stuff out with chisels.
That is crazy.
And then that's it, not painted. And then these are various stages of it getting painted.
How long have you been doing this?
This one took me a month, but I started a new channel where I build guitars.
Oh, I know.
And
I know that. I watch it. It's incredible.
And so this one is for you. I wanted to make one for you
It's
because you've
sparkly.
always been so like awesome to our family, and
Thank you.
I'm really proud of you for your tour.
Thank you.
And I like what the bow stands for also. Like,
Thank you.
that.
I'm sorry, I'm like
So-
lost right now. I don't know what to say. My brother is gonna lose his mind. That is
So-
insane.
That's
And it works too. If you plug it in.
I was gonna say,
it'll
is
be
it electric?
Yeah, it's electric. So
You wanna hear the one thing that I know on guitar? I'm about to know a lot more, but okay. I messed up. Okay.
ooh. Oh my God!
person that I've given a guitar to that actually played the guitar when I handed it.
Really?
Yeah. So
That looks so cool. I literally cannot believe you made this, Christopher.
So,
This is
I am
insane.
Oh wait, actually, can I play something cooler? I do know one other thing. Because
okay.
it's in tune, right? It sounds like it is.
Here, let me.
It's so
let me
pretty.
plug
The
it in
paint
first.
job on this is so
It looks
pretty.
literally like matches your outfit
Yeah,
right now.
baby.
Like it looks so
It's
cute.
so cute.
So
It's
it plugs in right
perfect.
here. Little quiet.
He's asleep. He's fine.
This song is quiet. The song is soft.
Guitar solo.
Is that cool?
What I want.
Yeah, there's a thing called love.
Oh, I was way off.
There goes my baby.
JoJo, that guitar looks so good on you. Like,
I'm adding
looking
guitar
at the
to my
guitar, Like,
I'm gonna add the guitar to my curly
you have
guitar.
to. Literally, looking at the, like, I saw the guitar ahead of time, but looking at the guitar with you holding it with a bow in your hair is blowing my mind. It looks so cool. It looks so cool.
Out and I just rock it.
Doesn't it look like complete with her holding it with her bow? Like,
It looks like you had it custom made.
I did, but I didn't know about it being custom made. That
whoa,
is
that's amazing, JoJo.
oh my god.
I love it.
I got Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Yeah! Do you know that? Do you always know?
I love Colleen's rock stance. Colleen's rock stance.
My rock is also my birth stance.
Just.
We both did the same one. Wait, I want to see how yours is. I want to see, because I've seen yours in video, but I
How
never.
cool. I wish, as much as I love that you gift these guitars, I wish we could see them all next to each other at once. Like, because looking at these two together, it's so cool. Like, see the two of them.
Yeah, I didn't think I'd see them together. That's like kind of cool.
But this is the first one you did?
This is the first one I did.
So how many have you done?
This is the third. Thank you so much for joining me in today's episode. If you watched the whole thing all the way through, thanks for watching and watching this, really one of the most fun things I have ever built. And if you missed any of the episodes, there is a playlist. You can click on it, check it out. It'll go through the entire build from a block of wood all the way through carving and painting and putting the finishing touches on. Such a fun build, and I really think JoJo enjoyed it. And I also want to say thank you to Colleen for letting us use her house. It was really cool seeing the two guitars together. I never thought I would see that, and seeing that today was super cool. If you're watching this in 2019, I will be taking the rest of the year off and kicking off a new guitar project in January of 2020. I'm daily vlogging on my other channel right now, and I want to make sure that I'm spending as much family time during the holidays as possible. I also want to make sure that the next guitar is awesome, so be sure to tune in, hit subscribe, get the notifications turned on so that when I start building the next guitar, you see exactly when I post it. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.